विवेक ओबरॉय को मिला फ्रेंड आफ्ताब शिवदसानी का साथ। फिल्म पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी को लेकर आफ्ताब ने किया विवेक का सपोर्ट।
As a friend, as a colleague, I even tweeted yesterday when I saw his tweet saying that the Supreme Court has passed the release of the film, and it's unfortunate. In fact, you're the first one who's telling me about it today. I haven't really seen the news, but it's really unfortunate.
जैसा कि आपको पता है कि विवेक ओबरॉय की फिल्म पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी की रिलीज पर फिलहाल इलेक्शन कमीशन ने रोक लगा दी है, जिसकी वजह से अब ये फिल्म 11 अप्रैल को रिलीज नहीं हो पाएगी, जिससे विवेक और फिल्म के मेकर्स को लगा है झटका। वहीं जब आफ्ताब शिवदसानी से विवेक को बॉलीवुड से सपोर्ट न मिलने और फिल्म पर बैन के बारे में पूछा गया सवाल, तो उन्होंने कुछ ये कहा।
As a film, I think a film art should have a certain amount of freedom to say what it wants to say, and I think the citizens of this country should have the freedom not only to make what they want to make, but also to see what they want to see. I don't think it would really do any harm per se to anybody. It's a film made coincidentally on the life of the existing Prime Minister, so I don't see any problem with that. But I mean, I don't know what the Election Commission would have in mind, or what the judiciary would have in mind. I think it's more for them to answer this question. But as a citizen of this country, I would support freedom of art and to express yourself. That's what I'd say.
दरअसल आजकल आफ्ताब अपनी अपकमिंग फिल्म सेटर्स के प्रमोशंस में लगे हैं, जो बेस्ड है ऑन द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ लीकिंग पेपर्स बिफोर एग्जामिनेशंस। इस फिल्म के बारे में बात करते हुए आफ्ताब ने कुछ ये कहा।
It's a very relevant topic in today's discussion and in society, and it's something that every responsible citizen should be aware of. And there is so much of corruption in terms of the education system that is happening, and I mean that's because it's a story based on true events. It's not a fictional story. So keeping all these stories in mind and keeping all these incidents in mind, we have compiled and made a film. So yeah, it's in a very gritty, it's a thriller. It's a very gritty space. It's a very realistic space. It's not a fictional film.
फिल्म के सब्जेक्ट पर बात करते हुए आफ्ताब ने ये भी खुलासा किया कि वो हमेशा से इंटेंस और पेट्रियोटिज्म पर बेस्ड कैरेक्टर प्ले करना चाहते थे।
Yeah, it's quite interesting. Something I always wanted to do. I've always I think deep down inside me there's this great amount of patriotism, towards. I've always been against corruption. I've always been against injustice.
Right.
And when I was offered this film and offered this role, I was quite excited, very excited to be honest, because something like you said I've never done before.
Right.
And it was also in a space that was not fictional. I wanted to do something that's real, that's relevant to society,
Right.
and also will make an impact. And hopefully, if we can change a little bit in the system through this film, even though it's Bollywood and it's cinema and it's a film, I would consider our efforts to be fruitful.
Right.
So yeah, it's a first for me, and I'm looking forward to many such things to do.
वहीं मस्ती फ्रेंचाइज के अडल्ट कॉमेडी को लेकर मिले क्रिटिसिज्म पर आफ्ताब से हमने सवाल पूछा, तो उन्होंने दिया ये जवाब।
I think just yesterday, Milap, the writer of Masti, the first Masti, and actually the second and perhaps the third as well, he tweeted that it's been 14 years of the first Masti. And
That was the best one according to me.
Well, thank you very much. But we've been screaming it from rooftops for the promotion of these 3 films in the franchise that it's catered to a certain audience. It's not catered to a certain type of audience who prefer something more serious or prefer something more deep or meaningful. When you make films like this, obviously we don't want to advocate husbands cheating on wives and etc. We don't want to do that because that's something we don't really personally stand for.
Okay.
We know it's a piece of fiction. We know it's a piece of entertainment. So just in the name of entertainment, these films are made, not to kind of propagate or advocate infidelity or stuff like that. So I mean, I would just say that people have the right to choose what they want to watch, and they should be entitled to choose what they want to watch.
आफ्ताब ने फिल्म मेकर इंद्र कुमार की लेटेस्ट रिलीज टोटल धमाल को मिले ऑडियंस के जबरदस्त रिस्पांस के लिए उन्हें कंग्रेचुलेट भी किया।
Wanted to congratulate them, and I also did for Total Dhamal because they've been through a lot, and with unfortunate the Great Grandmaster being leaked online, and then the film not being able to do so well because of the leakage.
Yeah.
I think they truly deserve their success in Total Dhamal, and hats off to them, and I pray for their long success as well. So we just met fleetingly where I congratulated them, but I haven't had a chance to speak to them.